In this scenario, we are looking at a warehouse protected with a VXR dry system that is operated due to a fire that has been extinguished. The area is safe to enter. First, the system water supply must be shut off. Now, begin draining the system by opening the main drain. Next, shut off the air supply to the system by closing the 1/4-inch isolation valve before the air pressure maintenance device and verify there is no pressure showing on the air supply pressure gauge. Ensure that the system is drained prior to replacing any sprinklers that have operated or may have been exposed to excessive heat in the fire.
Next, press the push rod on the VXR valve upwards to allow the clapper to drop down and seal against the seat. Then pull the push rod down to ensure it is fully retracted.
Ensure there is no air remaining in the accelerator's upper chamber by looking at its air gauge. If any air pressure remains in the accelerator's upper chamber, remove the plug from the side outlet valve and allow the air pressure to drain. Once there is no air pressure remaining, replace the plug. Next, establish the system air pressure within 5 psi of the set pressure by opening the air bypass valve.
Once pressure has been established, close the air bypass valve. Place the air maintenance device into service by opening the 1/4-inch isolation valve before the air pressure maintenance device. Partially open the main water control valve.
Now, close the main drain. Water supply pressure will show on the water supply pressure gauge.
Fully open the water supply control valve. After the system water pressure is restored, any alarm panels that were activated will need to be reset to clear any active alarms.
Congratulations, the system has been restored and the reset is complete.